Hi, my name is Florian Constabel. I'm working for the company Wipak. I'm the head of our innovation center, which is called Wipak N.E.X.T. And at the same time, I'm the host of the department Digital Watermarks at Wipak. What are digital watermarks at Wipak? This we are showcasing here in a small demonstration belt, where we showcase the usage of watermark for digitalization purposes and how to make it as easy as possible to step into the world of digitalization, data gathering and data management. What we do is we integrate a digital watermark into the artwork of a packaging, almost invisible to the human eye, repeated 360 degree wherever there's printed area on the packaging. And this is the identifier that enables us to do many more things. And if we take a quick walk around, I can show you some bits and pieces, how that looks like and how to utilize it. And just follow me and I show you at stage one. So looking at stage one, we use a handheld scanner, and when our customer receives our product, he has automatically, with one scan, everything that is related to the packaging film he just received. Data sheets, conformity, ingredients, and how to handle the product. If we move a little bit further, the same code is interacting with a different database, a camera system attached to your packaging machine. It automatically parametrics the needed recipe, sealing temperature, speed, how to handle the product correctly, and how to utilize it on your machine. You don't have to manually interact with the machine anymore. You cannot have false handling by wrong temperatures, wrong recipes, old recipes. You're always up to date and can foster your operational excellence with it. If we move one step further, pokey-yoke or mix and match issues are still a big problem. Does my bottom label really match the top film? Do I have the right setup with all my ingredients that create the final packaging for the product I'm trying to pack? No need to worry about this. 2 scans will enable that it is the right combination put to your machine. And yeah, we avoid waste, we avoid failures and mistakes, leakages, and wrong treatment of the product and shelf the product. If we move to station 4, we call it packaging and data distribution. The packaging gets scanned and we use our partner and the database behind it from our cycle, a brilliant consortium where everybody should join to work together closely to enable really data management and create sustainability reporting in regards to a digital twin and a digital product passport. All relevant information that are combined to create this packaging are hosted at that stage and enable us to do reporting as it is meant to be. If we move one step further, here we are looking at end consumer engagement. Could be a handheld scanner, could be your smartphone with a certain app. You get all relevant information, buy one, get one free, allergy checks. You jump directly to an e-commerce channel if you want to, and just foster your sales with the end consumer. And last but not least, another important initiative that can be triggered with digital watermarks. In that case, we're talking about Holy Grail 2030. Yes, we are still looking for members to join in for the Holy Grail 2030 initiative. We have a big field test running, flexible packaging in Belgium and rigid packaging in the German setup. Just reach out to us or to the Holy Grail Consortium to learn more. Here we are fostering sortation and the correct sortation in sorting centers to create clean fractions and solve the issue we're currently seeing with mechanical recycling, then using these pure fractions and streams to convert it towards chemical recycling to reach the levels that we need to have by 2030 to fulfill PPWR regulations.